How to remove a headliner out of a 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado. First thing to do is go to the driver's side, sun visor, and look for the torque screws. You will need a T15 Torx bit. Start to remove the fasteners that are holding in the sun visor. Now go to the passenger side and do the same thing. Now go to the coat hanger hooks. This will probably be the hardest part about taking the headliner out. Basically what you have to do is you grab the back half of the hook and pull down super hard. It may feel as if you are going to break it, but I am most surely you will not. They are just super strong clips, biggest pain ever. Where the star is, that is where you want to pull. Remember, this will take a lot of force, and make sure to do this to the other coat hanger. A little more slowed down replay. On the passenger side handle, you pull out the little tabs. They are only clips. I used a plastic trim remover tool to help me get the tab out. Now, take out the driver's side pillar. Be careful and try to not break the pillar, they are fragile. Also take out the passenger side pillar. I recommend using plastic trim remover tools. Now remove just the top part of the driver's side pillar. Use two hands to do so. I already had it pre-loosened, and do the same to the passenger side. Now go to the cab light and find the little notch and take the plastic cover off. You then slide the light out and see the black and gray plastic clip. Now how to take it out: you have to push up and slide back on the gray part. Pull down on the handle and half of the headliner should be able to come loose. Don't forget to disconnect the wire to the rearview mirror. Now go to the rear cab light in the bed and take out both Phillips screws. You will see this clip that you will have to undo. This was holding in the rest of the headliner. Now unfortunately you will have to pull up the wire from your headliner. That is the only way to finish getting the headliner out. Remove the clips from the pillar. Pull the seats all the way forward and tilt them back. Also put the steering wheel all the way down. Now just pull and wiggle it out. Don't forget to remove the clips from the handle. And bam, just like that you are done. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want. Share it to others also. Thank you. This video took me 2 hours to make, lol.